Hello everyone, and today we are evaluate the limits in an easy way and also in a step-by-step process. So we have an example number 1, which is the limits of 5x plus 2. The x approaches to 2. So let's put the given 5x plus 2. So what we are going to do is we have to do a direct substitution. So we have 5, which is our x is 2 plus 2. So we are going to simplify expression. So 5 times 2 is equals to 10 plus 2. Then 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. So our limits of 5x plus 2, which is x approaches 2, is 12. This is 12. Okay, let's have another example. Number 2. So we have limits of 16x minus 7, which is x approaches to negative 1. So 16x minus 7, same expression. So we have also we apply the direct substitution. We have 16, which is our x is negative 1, so we put negative 1 is minus 7. So 16 minus negative 1 is equals to negative 16. Copy the negative 7. So negative 7 minus 7 is equals to 23. Negative. So our limits of 16x minus 7, which is x approaches to negative 1, is negative 23. Okay, so let's have another example. So we have an example number 3, which is the limit of x plus 2, the quantity of 3x minus 1. So we have the x approaches to 3. So we have x plus 2 and 3x minus 1. We are going to direct substitute of, which is our x is 3 plus 2 and 3, which is our x is 3 minus 1. So we have 3 plus 5 is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 rather. Then 3 times 3 is equals to 9, and we have negative 1. And then 5, 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. So 5 times 8 is equals to 40. Yan, 40. So ang ating limits of x plus 2, the quantity of 3x minus 1, which is x approaches to 3, is 40. So we have an example number 4, which is the limits of 4x plus 1 over 2x minus 3, which is x approaches to 5. So we're going to do is to copy this 4x plus 1 over 2x negative 3. Wala yan. So which is our x is 5, so direct substitution tayo sa dito. So we have So we have 4 5 plus 1 over 2, 5 minus 3. So, 4 times 5 is equals to 20. Direct substitution tayo, plus 1. And 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 3. So we have 20 plus and so 20 plus 1, we have 21 over 10 minus 3 is 7. So we have 21 over 7. So simplify fractions in the lowest term. So kaya pa ito. So we have the 3. We have 3. Yeah. So the limits of 4x plus 1 over 2x minus 3, which is x approaches to 5, is 3. Yeah, 3. So let's move on to the number 5 examples. We have the limits of square root of 2x plus 4, which is x approaches to 2. So given this radical expressions, we have square root of 2x plus 4. So we have to input the x into the square root. So we have square root of 2, which is our x is 2 plus 4. So we have 2 times 2 equals 4 square root plus 4. So we have 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So we can simplify 8. So we have 2 to the square root of 2. So the limits of square root of 2x plus 4 to the x of approaches to 2 is 2 square root of 2.